all my fellas, we at Gwazi.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Woo, let's go. All right, we got Jacob and Lucas in the back. What's good? You enjoying the video? Huh? 6'7". 6'7". Let's go! Woo.
Back row night ride.
Back row night ride. Let's go. Let's go.
Lucas, did you get to touch the boss?
I did.
Nice. Okay, that's good, man.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Iron Gwazi. Oh, here we go. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Here we go.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Let's go! Now, that was great. What do y'all think?
That was nuts, bro.
So good.
Dude,
So
that might
good.
break my top 10. I don't know.
Ooh.
It's top 15, probably. We'll see.
I like that. What'd you say about 6'7"? What'd you say?
6 or 7.
6 or 7. You know.
It's a lot better than air growth.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I need subs, please.
Subscribe to Iron Gwazi.
Subscribe to Iron Gwazi Addict, please.
Oh, this is my GoPro.
I'm borrowing it. It's a permanent borrow, okay, y'all? We got this. Bye.